Jean-Christophe Bailly from Ghostai, a spin out of Paris Tech, ENSTA, and you have 3 minutes, and we'll catch you at 2 minutes 59 seconds.
Okay. Thank you. In principle, you should see a video showing you something I'm going to talk about, which are robots. Ghostai is a company which is doing software in robotics, and we are talking about consumer robotics, home robots, not the robots that you find in the factories. So actually a new industry that I will not have enough time to give you a proper description of, so I will only scratch the surface, but to summarize, I think we're entering a new age with robots everywhere. And when I was working as a researcher, I had to program these robots, and I found out that there was no software that makes all these robots compatible and makes them easy to program. So that's what I developed, which is called URBI, U-R-B-I. So you may think of it as an operating system for robots. And that was the beginning of the Ghostai startup. So Ghostai is doing this, providing a universal software platform and operating system for robots, and which is now going open source. And on top of it, we also develop applications for robots. So working with robot manufacturers, we provide applications for things like home security, elderly care, or entertainment for kids, and many other applications that are available today with robots. And we put a clear focus on low-cost robots, which means robots at about €300, because robots you haven't seen in the video so far are actually robots that are very expensive. So if we want to have a robot in every home, which is the dream we have, I think we have to focus on robots that are low cost, €300. And that's for this. We also developed another technology which is called GhostaiNet that enables to have the intelligence of the robot out of the robot on remote servers. So you may think of it as cloud computing for robotics. And with that technology, a €300 robot that is not very powerful is suddenly capable to speak, recognize faces, understand when you speak to it, detect objects, etc. Because the intelligence is running on powerful servers out of the robot. So this is the current direction that we are following. And of course, this is based on URBI.
10 seconds.
URBI is working with 50 robots already, 15 different types of robots. So we hope there is soon a robot in every home. Thank you.
Thank you, Jean-Christophe. Jean-Christophe was able to say robot 43 times in 3 minutes. Not bad. So we'll go to route rank from the École Polytechnique Fédérale de Lausanne, Switzerland. Jochen Mundinger. So what is the word you are going to pronounce 33 to 40 times in 3 minutes?
Best possible travel route, potentially. Thank you. So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jochen Mundinger, and it's a pleasure for me to be here and talk to you about RouteRank. We help you find your way. RouteRank provides a software for travel planning. Unlike other solutions that focus on a single means of transport, we integrate the different means of transport, road, rail, air connections, and consider the entire travel route. So with a single search, RouteRank finds the best possible travel routes and allows you to sort them according to priorities such as price, travel time, and CO2 emissions. In this example, from Paris city centre to the climate summit in Copenhagen, for example, the first route you see consists in a taxi to Orly Airport, then Norwegian Air to Copenhagen Airport, and then on DSB public transport into the city centre. The total time of the route is 5 hours and 12 minutes, and that includes the check-in at the airports. The total CO2 emissions are 226 kilograms, and you can book this route at €141. Other routes, such as going by car and driving by train all the way, are also included. And you can further filter the routes, for example, according to the airports. And this also illustrates that in this one search, we've checked for you all the flights out of Lille, Charles de Gaulle, Orly, and many more at this end, and Göteborg, Copenhagen, Malmö at the other end. So it's one search and it covers all the options. So once you've decided on a route, you can follow these deep links on the right-hand side, and we will forward you directly to the travel providers where you can buy your tickets. In addition to the proprietary technology, there are 2 worldwide patents pending. RouteRank's partners include France's Via Michelin, UK's OAG, Switzerland's MyClimate, amongst others. In addition to this customer website, consumer website that you see here, our customers include the WWF, Nokia, and even the national government. The benefits have been proven and endorsement been gained by the former executive director of the UNEP, amongst others. The many awards and nominations we've received include KPMG, the Picnic Green Challenge, as well as TechCrunch. Now that the B2B business is turning well, and also the revenues and the traction on the website is increasing, we're looking to reach out to everyone and provide them with travel transparency and also allow them to reduce their carbon footprint. So seeing that the price for this award is actually a trip to Redmond, this just fits perfectly. So we can talk to Bing Travel and their strategic business development and see how we can achieve that. Thank you.
Thank you.